How's it going? So Bamboo recently rolled out a new app update. I think it came in yesterday or the day before, I'm not sure, but a friend in our investing community basically shared it with me, and I updated mine and I saw the new changes on the app. So it's a slight change in a sense, and we're going to talk about it in this video. If you don't already know about my channel before now, I talk about investing, I talk about tech as well, and software, right? And I do give away from time to time, so be sure to subscribe and of course like this video. Now, what I was really hoping for before now was for Bamboo to roll out a new website where you can pretty much trade. One of their competitors, I'm not going to name names, has a web app that you can pretty much manage your portfolio from. You can just manage your trades in a sense, but Bamboo doesn't have a website that you can go to trade, and it's just sad. It's sad because sometimes I don't want to pick up my phone. I want to be able to trade on my computer, right? And I think that a lot of people also want that as well. But they recently rolled out a new app update, and the new app update now pretty much shows you a bunch of really cool stuff. Like now you can see your withdrawable balance right from the home page. You can also see the timer for when the market opens and when the market closes. As some of you already know, the stock market opens every day by 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time and closes by, of course, 9 p.m. Nigerian time. I know this might change, by plus or minus 1 hour, when daylight savings time hits, hits and all of that. But for now, the market opens by 2:30 p.m. and closes by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. You can also now see the current value of your portfolio, not just your withdrawable balance, but your entire portfolio as well. When you go to a stock that you've not bought before, maybe you've bought it before and sold, if you scroll down that page, you can now see the ratings for a stock. The ratings are pulled from Benzinga, as I noticed. So it's not like Bamboo is really showing you the ratings. They are not advising you to buy the stock, right? So the ratings you see for that stock is being pulled from another source, and they clearly stated that on that page as well. Now, that's not all the exciting stuff that is happening right now, with Bamboo. They recently also announced that they are having a class. They announced that they are having a class in Lekki, Lagos, on the 28th of this month, June 2025. And the class is going to hold from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So it's a physical class. The class is divided, or the classes are divided into two. You have the Nigerian stocks class, where they pretty much, talk about the stock market. If you're a newbie investor and you don't know how to invest or trade stocks, you might want to check that out. The second class is for wealth building through fixed income, where they pretty much tell you about their fixed income, their interest rate, inflation. Basically, they teach you these things in that class. So it's a live workshop in Lagos. You are expected to pay for it. I am disappointed that you have to pay for this class, because it's Bamboo. The class is going to be done with Bamboo app as well. So this is like one of the ways to pretty much get people to, again, register on Bamboo, use the Bamboo app, and learn about investing in general. I feel like more people will sign up and attend as well if it's a free class. But I'm guessing that they made it a paid class because maybe they rented a hall or something, or it feels like I'm making excuses for them at this point. But classes like this should be free. Bamboo classes like this should be free, so that people can attend and learn. If the venue is too small, then maybe do like a virtual class where you have a lot of people signing in to learn about investing and all of that. But yeah, that's the update I have for you guys. Again, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe and of course hit that like button. I'll see you around. Bye.